Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'm going to talk about a very flashy bird. The small minivet. The small minivet is a small passerine bird. This minivet is found in tropical southern Asia from the Indian subcontinent east to Indonesia. Males have a slaty grey crown, cheeks and back, breast orange, gradually fading into yellowish-white underparts. Female is duller than male, with light grey upperparts, cheeks and crown, dark grey wings, white throat and yellow underparts. Usually seen in small flocks, they continuously move around feeding on insects, sometimes catching them mid-air like flycatchers. Their calls are like named locally as Punchi Miniviththa. I have not seen the small minivet. One such place you can see them is Yala National Park. These are some of the pictures of our trip to Yala. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to see my next video about the crested serpent eagle.